Why are you still exhausted, anxious, and stuck, even after years of self-care and treat-yourself culture? Bullshit. You've been sold a lie. Self-care isn't healing you. It's turning you into a fragile, entitled snowflake. And if you don't wake up, it's going to keep you weak forever. Weakness is optional. Stop infantilizing yourself. I don't have time? You've got time to doom scroll, binge Netflix, and stalk your ex. You just don't have priorities. Pathetic. What you need is warrior time. Stop coddling yourself. Start conquering. True growth isn't comfort. It's discomfort. It's pain. It's doing the shit you're terrified of. I'm talking about real, brutal, life-changing habits that will force you to grow. Ready to stop being soft? Here's your no BS blueprint to replace self-care with self-mastery. Follow this and in 30 days you'll be harder, sharper, and unstoppable. Step 1. Cold exposure. Ditch the bubble bath. Take a cold shower. Yeah, it's torture. But evidence shows that increases endorphins, improves metabolism, and enhances circulation. And it'll teach your brain to embrace discomfort. Start with 30 seconds. Work your way up to 5 minutes. Your body will scream. Your mind will beg you to stop. Don't. This is where you build mental toughness. Step 2. Confrontation drills. Argue with someone when needed. Say no to a request. Practice being hated. Soft people crumble under pressure. You won't. Start small. Disagree with a coworker. Tell your friend their idea sucks. Get comfortable with conflict because life doesn't care about your feelings. Step 3. Ego-crushing feedback. Ask your boss, friend, or enemy. What's my worst trait? Listen. Don't cry. Don't defend yourself. Just take it. Then improve. You think you're self-aware? You're not. You're blind to your own weaknesses. Let someone else shatter your delusions. Step 4. Dopamine detox. Delete your mindfulness app. No podcasts, no ASMR, no distractions. Sit in silence for 30 minutes. Your brain will rebel. It'll scream for stimulation. Crush it. This is where you learn to be alone with your thoughts. No escape, no excuses. Just you and the truth. Step 5. Daily discomfort. Every day, do one thing you don't want to do. Hate running? Run. Scared of public speaking? Record yourself? Avoid hard conversations? Start one. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being uncomfortable. Because that's where growth happens. Step 6. Accountability. Tell someone your goals. Not your mom. She'll lie to you. Tell someone who will call you out when you slack. Better yet, bet money on it. Put $100 on the line. Nothing motivates like the fear of losing cash. Step 7. Reflect and adapt. At the end of each week, ask yourself, did I get stronger or did I stay soft? Be honest. If you're still hiding behind self-care, you're failing. Adjust. Push harder. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a lifestyle. Do this for 30 days, and you'll be a different person. Or don't, and stay weak. Your choice. You're not broken. You're not defective. You're just lazy. You've been sold a fantasy that comfort equals happiness, and it's rotting your soul. Keep pampering yourself, and in 5 years you'll be exactly where you are now, just older, softer, and full of regret. Or you can choose to fight, to embrace the discomfort that forges real strength, to look in the mirror and say, I'm done being a victim. This isn't about hating yourself. It's about respecting yourself enough to demand more. Here's your final test. Try this for 7 days. Cold showers, confrontation, brutal honesty. If you're not harder, sharper, and angrier at your old self, I'll refund your $0. But if you're ready to stop being soft to trade bubble baths for bulletproof discipline, hit subscribe. Let's make you dangerous. And when you're finally thriving, sliding into DMs and dominating your life, don't forget who told you the truth.